Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a little program that gets the Windows system info and it saves it to a text file and then prints it to the desktop. So let's start, shall we? You'll need to import subprocess here. It already comes built in with Python, so you won't have to download it in pip. So we're going to create a function called write info to file. Oops. Okay, and we're going to pass it an argument here called file path. So that's the argument, and we're going to create a file with open, use the file path argument, and then the W flag to create a file as file object. Okay, now we're going to use subprocess dot run, and we're going to type in here system info. So this is going to get the Windows system info here, and we're going to type in stdout, which is equal to file object. That's standard output, and then the text is assigned to true. Okay, all we're going to do is print a message and the output. System info written to this file. That of course is going to be file path. Okay, we're going to call it write info file. Okay, we have to pass it an argument here, so I want it to create this file on my desktop, so that's simply going to be C users mark desktop. This is the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop. You will have to find your own unique desktop path, because if you enter this, it will throw an error. Okay, so that's the path to my desktop here, and I want to give the file a name. I'm going to call it system info.txt. That's what I'm going to call it. Okay, all we have to do is save it and run the program. Okay, let's have a look if we've been successful. I've got a file here, system info. Let's open it up, and there we go. There's plenty of system info in there. Oh, let's have a full look at it first before I go bye. So that's your system info there. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.